Hi, my name is Scott Wanger. Welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. I really appreciate you guys being here. I first created this account in 2009 doing random videos. I then, over the years, as I've matured, as I've changed, I have got into product reviews, and I've been doing that for the last, 4 or 5 years. I even have, back in 2012, some reviews that I tried to do. They're pretty funny to look back on. If you can find them on my channel, they're still uploaded. And I can't believe how big we have become, and I really appreciate you guys as the subscribers. I really do. You guys are what make everything possible. You guys make the dream come true, and I want to thank you personally for subscribing and turning on your notifications. It really means a lot for a small-time person like me, because I am a small-time. It doesn't matter if I have 100,000 or 200 or a million subscribers. I'm a small-time, guy. I'm a small town guy. That's who I am. And that's who I am to the core. I'm always going to be rooted in growing up on a farm. I'm always going to be rooted in, outdoors and nature stuff. And I'm so blessed to be able to provide different products for you guys to see. We offer you guys so many products on our account. We're uploading every week. There's something new, from outdoor stuff to indoor stuff, stuff for men, stuff for women, stuff for kids, stuff for your grandparents, your mother, brother, sister, uncle, father. I mean, we review anything and everything, and you never know what you're gonna see. So you might come across something and be like, oh, I'm not interested in that. However, if you're subscribed, something might pop up and you might think, that looks awesome. And you might actually get it and buy it and think, what is going on? Where has this been my whole life? I should have had this for my whole entire life. And a lot of products I come across and it's like, wow, that is really, really handy. Or wow, why was I buying this product for way more when I could have been getting the similar item for so much less? And that's what we're about, my friends. We're about sharing all kinds, more than just a review channel, more than just an unboxing channel. We are a channel that we just share with you guys products from all categories, every category. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, my friends. You guys mean a lot to me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for turning on notifications, and thank you for being you.